Yo, it's a little rainy out today, and I got this little poor man's GoPro. It's an AKASO EK7000. It shoots decent quality, but it's good for what I need it for. I thought I'd test out some POV action today and just play around with it. Let's see. Drive around some local roads. Maybe get some skids in if I could find a good spot. You guys like the Christmas lights on the dash? It's BMW shit. BMW shit. Alright, this feels a lot awkward actually. With this thing on my forehead. Let's see if I get any crazy looks. But yeah, here's a little point of view of what it's like to drive this BMW E46 328i sedan sitting on max speed coilovers. Welded rear diff. I don't know what kind of diff it is. What else is done to this thing? Ain't much going on. But she runs and drives great. She makes weird noises here and there. Has a little idle surge on cold start, which I need to work on. But yo, I don't know when I caught Beamer fever, but I definitely got that shit. What you doing, mailman? What you doing? What you doing, mailman? Come on, come on. Come on, mailman. YouTube, don't copyright me, man. Sometimes it's I can call sadness. So right now we're doing about a little under 60, rolling through these little curvy roads. Yo, I actually got a spot in mind that would be good to do some skids. It is it's not necessarily abandoned, but people are hardly ever there and it's wide the fuck open. This is America, so you know you gotta be careful. I'll be watching some drift videos on YouTube. With these guys that be in like Russia and Ukraine. And they go crazy, like almost like there's no police force out there. Like jealous. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's places in the States where you can't get away with a lot of that shit, but I don't know. I live in upstate New York, so it kind of sucks for a car guy as far as having fun. But hey, we trying to do shit legitimate anyway. I'm on that good kush and alcohol. What's happening? I got some damn bitches I can go. What's happening? That welded diff is chirping, man. God damn. My suspension isn't necessarily smooth, but it's really stiff. Like I can tell it's like good quality, somewhat good quality. Oh wow, this is great drifting weather, guys. Great drifting weather. You don't know, man. Is this Dennis Brown? No, sizzler. Yo, I just got done doing the longest U-turn ever, man. That's one of the biggest downfalls of having a welded diff. I've driven 2 cars with them. This one and my previous E46. Bro, tight turns suck. They're annoying, I ain't gonna lie. But it's well worth it when you know how to use the diff that is welded. Alright, it's getting a little hazy in here, man. Let's open these windows. So we wait. I said we wait, yeah. I said we wait, yeah. Come and spread it across the nation, cause I have the bucketive of Buja Pants and Buja not stop crying. Come on, man. Yo, I despise traffic, bro. Here we go. Thank you. You kind sir, gentleman, or lady, for letting the Beamer go. Fuck, I just missed it again. Fuck it, we're gonna reverse it. I got too much shit in this car, man.